In this video, I'll answer whether you can see who rewatched your Instagram story. If you're using a standard Instagram account, the answer is no. Instagram only lets you see who viewed your story and the total number of views. It does not show how many times a specific person rewatched your story. However, if you have access to Instagram Plus, you may be able to view additional story insights, including rewatch counts. To check this, open your story and swipe up to view the Story Insights panel. Here, you may see advanced analytics, including viewer activity and rewatch information. Some versions also include a search feature to quickly find specific viewers and see additional engagement metrics. Keep in mind that these features are only available to Instagram Plus subscribers and may not be accessible to regular Instagram users. And that's how you can check Story Rewatch Insights on Instagram. If this video helped, make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new guide.